If you've lost access to your SourceForge account and no longer have your phone number, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the SourceForge login page. Go to the SourceForge website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your SourceForge account. Make sure to use the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SourceForge to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you have reset your password, you should be able to log into your account. By following these steps, you can successfully recover your SourceForge account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SourceForge support for further assistance.